Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the Gemini app. Sign into the Google account tied to your photos so you can manage them. Once signed in, make sure Gemini has permission to view your photos or device storage. Without that, you can't delete items. If you plan to delete only from this device, turn off automatic backup temporarily so removals don't re-upload. Now navigate to the app's Photos or Library tab and pause on the image grid. You're ready to select images for removal. You now choose the images to remove. Long press one photo to enter selection mode, then tap others to include multiple. Once selected, tap the delete or trash icon. Gemini may ask whether to delete from this device only or from your Google account entirely. Choose carefully. Confirm the action when prompted and watch for a short progress notice. Once done, Gemini will remove the files from the visible library. Make sure you don't accidentally clear anything you still need. To finish, open Gemini's trash or deleted items folder and empty it. Deletion often isn't permanent until trash is cleared. Once emptied, verify removal by checking Google Photos and any other synced apps, because backups or sync can restore images. If a photo reappears or deleting fails, clear Gemini's app cache, sign out and back in, or temporarily disable Google Photos backup before trying again. If issues persist, remove the image in Google Photos directly, and then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.